scootering home. I just had a guy try to run me over. I had to pull out my concealed weapon and fire some shots. I'm right at Broadway and Pine Street.
I got one right here. Where are you hit, bud? Your leg?
Yeah, in my leg.
Okay, hold on, bud. We got you. You okay? Which leg? This one?
For 21, I have a red Toyota Camry with a bullet hole in the back windshield. Driver's unconscious. Put him in recovery. Put him on his side.
Put him on the side. Put him on the side.
Have a bullet hole inflicted in his red car.
Yeah. Cut his sheet. Cut him. Cut his stuff. Cut his clothes right now. Hey, what? Come on. Are you okay? Did you get hurt? Yep. Come on, buddy. I got one right here. Where are you hit, bud? Your leg?
Yeah, in my leg.
Okay. Hold on, bud. We got you. You okay? Which leg? This one?
In the heart of Seattle, what began as a minor road dispute spiraled into tragedy. Bodycam footage captures the moment tempers turned deadly and a community lost one of its own. It's a Friday afternoon near Capitol Hill. 26-year-old activist Elijah Lewis is driving through downtown when a confrontation with another driver quickly escalates. Moments later, reports of shots fired flood dispatch. Officers rush to the scene, unaware they're about to witness chaos unfold on a crowded street.
You got the bag up. I can't get through.
How many shots did you fire?
Pretty sure it was about 3.
George, you copy the shooting call? Do we want to maybe stay east by the precinct and all run together? Copy, idea.
Is anyone injured?
The guy tried to speed off. They took off, I guess.
So far, no reports of any injuries.
When officers arrive, they find Lewis lying beside a red sedan, bleeding, unresponsive. His friend screams for help as officers apply pressure, calling for medics. The shooter fled, but witnesses point toward a nearby vehicle, black SUV, seen speeding away seconds after the gunfire. First responders arrive within minutes. Despite life-saving efforts, Elijah Lewis is pronounced deceased at the scene. His death sends shockwaves through the city. Lewis was known for advocating community unity.
Officers arrested 35-year-old Patrick Cooney and confirmed he pulled the trigger, leaving the driver Elijah Lewis in critical condition.
Bullet hole on his victim in his red car.
His 9-year-old nephew in the passenger seat also sustained a gunshot wound. However, after being transported to the hospital, Elijah would later pass away from his injury. Investigators interviewed Elijah's nephew and reviewed footage to reconstruct the events. This specialized child forensic interviewer must gather accurate information while avoiding further trauma. They also must prevent contamination of the child's memory. To do this, they build rapport and stress the importance of telling the truth. This interview is no exception. That emphasis will be vital when the footage is presented as evidence in court. During the interview, criminal investigators observe from a separate room and relay additional questions to the interviewer as needed.
Tell me how you're feeling right now about talking to me. Nervous, okay. Tell me some things you like to do for fun. Origami.
Play Minecraft.
Tell me about how you got shot.
The day after my birthday, my uncle wanted to do something since he missed it because he had work. He was going to Monster Truck Rally, but I didn't know that until I went to the hospital.
Investigators discovered that his nephew and his family lived in an apartment above the Walgreens. Elijah had just stopped to pick up his nephew.
Do you think you could draw a picture for me about where the car was and what was happening?
Well, can I get some paper?
Yeah, of course.
The guy who shot me didn't have a car. He was riding a motor scooter.
When you very first saw the scooter, where was the scooter?
Right here.
In front of you? Did you see the guy who was on the scooter?
Yes.
What did he look like?
He was white. He was wearing a bean bag hat.
Had you ever seen that guy on the scooter before that time?
No.
And was the car moving, or where? Do you know where you guys were?
Oh, we started moving, and then this guy came and fell on us, and we almost hit him.
Was the car actually moving, or were you stopped in traffic? I don't really understand the whole situation.
It was moving.
Okay.
And he paused to cuss at him, able to say the bad words.
You didn't say any words at all.
And then he accidentally almost ran somebody over. He said, "Watch where you going." And he said, "Shut your ass up. I'll run you over." And then the guy started.
Detectives launch an urgent manhunt. Surveillance footage from nearby shops and cafes helps trace the suspect's route. Within hours, authorities identify a 23-year-old male believed to have fired the weapon after a heated exchange of words turned physical. Police locate the suspect later that night. He's taken into custody without resistance. Bodycam captures the tense silence of a man realizing the weight of his actions. In the days that followed, Seattle mourned. Candlelight vigils lined the streets as friends and family remembered Elijah as the voice of calm in chaos.
Today is a beautiful day. About, uplifting our community. I have to make sure that the next round of youth are getting the same type of guidance. I was like, you know what? I need to be a part of the change. I don't want to miss out on anyone that I'm not there to see or give those resources to.
I'm so proud of all the work that you're doing. For him to die in this way, for his life to be taken through gun violence from someone that was random, in a sense, this is hurting so many of us.
He was also known for organizing and leading social rights rallies, many of which took place blocks away from the shooting.
We're here, we're showcasing our Black brilliance.
Patrick remained in jail the next day and declined to appear in court, sending his lawyer in his place. Frustrations grew for those who attended his hearing, wanting to see Elijah's killer face to face.
There is no justice for my brother because my brother is dead. He took my brother at 23 years old. He wasn't even the apex of what he was.
Patrick was held on a $2 million bail and was charged with 1 count of second-degree murder and 1 count of first-degree assault.
The case remains under review, but one truth is clear. Anger and ego can shatter lives in seconds. A single moment of rage changed everything. Behind every body cam, there's not just a scene, but a lesson. Stay calm. Stay alive. Subscribe for real body cam stories.